Hello learners, I am Vandana Shukla, computer educator at Deep Darshan Vidya Sankul. Hope you all are fit and fine. Today we will learn about lesson number 3, Tux Paint. In this unit we will see what is Tux Paint and how we can use it. About Tux Paint. Tux Paint is a multi-platform free drawing software program for children. It is so simple to use and fosters creativity. How can students use this tool? Students create unique visual representation using a variety of tools. Versatile, illustrating stories, self-portraits, story reflection, word problems, greeting cards and much more. You can make these things in this Tux Paint software. Now we will start about Tux Paint. Tux Paint is a wonderful drawing program for children. Unlike other drawing or painting programs, Tux Paint has a lot of creative tools, funny animations and magical effects which make it one of the best drawing software. Let us look at its unique feature. Now we will see the features of Tux Paint software. Tux Paint is a free software. Tux Paint has a drawing mascot who helps you to know more about Tux Paint. Means when you want to get some help in Tux Paint program, so there is a drawing mascot which get you helps for a particular topic. Third is a large variety of tools help the children to bring out their best creative designs. With the help of Tux Paint, children can make very creative design. Fifth is we can add personalized stamps on our drawing once we finish it. Sixth is funny sound effects are played when we select any tool. And the last is we can load and save images directly as thumbnail and there is no need to specify a file name. Means it is directly saved. We don't have to specify the file name. So this was all about Tux Paint feature. Now we will see how to start Tux Paint. Means how we can start Tux Paint program in our computer. To start Tux Paint program, go to Start button, then select All Program, then select Tux Paint and after that Tux Paint window will open. You can see in the picture steps are given. First point is click on Start button, then second number choose All Program, then third is select Tux Paint and the fourth is choose Tux Paint windowed. So this you can open your Tux Paint program. You will see now the welcome screen of Tux Paint. After the welcome screen, we will see the opening screen of Tux Paint. So this is the opening screen of Tux Paint window. Here you can see tools. Tools box has total of 14 different tools. Means in toolbox there are 14 different types of tools are given. Then see colors group. Colors is the palette from where you can choose different colors. When you want to make your drawing in different colors, so you can select the colors from the color palette tool. Then see the brushes tool. This is sub toolbox, contains more option of a particular tool. Here different brushes shapes are given. We have 70 fixed colors and 1 choice colors. So in color palette there are 17 color that is fixed and 1 is choice color that we will select according to our choice. Now see the last picture, that is penguin. The penguin is your friend. It tells the proper method of using the selected tools. Means this will help you to select a particular tool. This is your TuxPaint screen. You can see in the green color tools are given. Here 14 different tools is given in the toolbox. Then see the color selector. Here 70 color are available and there is 1 choice color. Then go to shapes. Tools option will change depending on the selected tools. Means different shapes are given. You can select any shape and make your drawing according to their shape. And the white area that you can see, that is drawing canvas. This is your area where you can make your drawing, you can do your creativity. So I hope you are able to understand about the TuxPaint screen. Come to the toolbar. As I told, there are 14 different types of tools are given in the toolbar. You can see paint tool, stamp, line, shapes, text, undo, redo, eraser, new, open, save, print and quit. These all are the different tools. Then come to the selector. Selector means here is drop and down menu is given. When you click on that, you can select any brush shape or any colors with that particular drop and down menu. Come to the colors palette. As I told, there are 17 different colors and 1 choice color is given in the color palette. So you can select colors according to your need. Now come to the help area. The penguin will give particular information about a particular tools or shape which you want to get from it. Next we will see about paint tool. Now we will see what is paint tool and how we can use it. Whenever we start TuxPaint, the paint tool is selected by default. Means when you open your TuxPaint screen, the by default tool that is selected, that is paint tool. It is used to paint and draw anything that you like. With the help of paint tool, you can draw any kind of drawing. It is similar to the brush tool in MS Paint. Everybody know about MS Paint, Microsoft Paint. In MS Paint there is brush tool. So it is similar to the Paint tool in TuxPaint. We can use it to draw freehand drawing images or sketches, as well as select various brush shapes present in its sub-toolbox. Means with the help of paint tool, we can draw freehand drawing images. Means which kind of drawing that you are imagining your brain, you can create it or you can sketch it. Let us start drawing a scenery using the paint tool. Bring the mouse pointer to the drawing area. Drawing area means that white area that I show before the slide, that is drawing canvas. So bring the mouse pointer to the drawing area. The shape of pointer changes from a hand to a pair brush. Select the brown color from the colors palette and draw a few mountains at the upper part of the drawing canvas. So what you have to do, you have to select brown color from the color palette and have to draw mountain on the upper part of the drawing canvas that you can see in the given picture. Now choose yellow color and draw a small sun behind the mountain as shown in the figure. After that, you have to select yellow color and have to draw sun behind the mountain. Select the blue color and draw a wavy line for river as shown in the figure. So what we have done, we will select blue color and draw a wavy line to make a river. So this way you can use your paint tool and choose the different colors and you can create your freehand drawing. Now we will see about sub-toolbox. The sub-toolbox is a unique feature of TuxPaint. For every tool in TuxPaint, we have many options of brush shapes or special effect in the sub-toolbox. We can choose any brush shapes from the sub-toolbox. On the right hand side, we have more than 50 different shapes, but only a few are used. So we have 50 different types of shapes in sub-toolbox, and we will learn each and every shapes in the next video. Till then, you have to practice till the pages which I have taught you in this video. So read the lesson carefully and be practice. Thank you and happy learning.